The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the Sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. The solar system moves around the Sun in elliptical orbits located in a thin disk around the Sun's equator. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the Sunday. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the Sun's planets. Venus is the second planet from the Sunday. Venus spins slowly backwards as it orbits the Sun, causing its rotational period to be the longest in the solar system, at about 243 Earth days. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor and support life. About 29.2% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. The remaining 70.8% is covered with water.